All right, so first thing up today, we are making cornhole boards for a local bar and a couple for a customer for their birthday. So I've got about 4 sets of these to put together today. A lot of stuff in the shop, some apparel orders, a monument sign. Yeah, I've got window perf for the front of the building. I've been here a year and I still haven't done anything to those windows, so that's next. Yeah, cornhole boards. I'm gonna do some printing, some laminating, and then we'll get these done. That's today's project. Check it out. All right, all set with the printing, laminating, and trimming. Here's all the pieces laid out. Here's the cornhole boards. We're gonna laminate them to the tops and then trim everything up and trim the hole. All right, first thing you wanna do is rip out a line in the backing paper using this like double blade knife. I think I got it on Amazon, but it says newish tool. It has 2 blades. So what you can do, once you get the backing paper up, once you separate the print from the backing paper, you insert it. What it does is it rips the channel out of the backing paper, so you've got the adhesive exposed. Then you just line your print up, make sure the hole's on the right side. And then I just like to make sure that I've got equal spacing on all the edges. I give myself about, I don't know, 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch all the way around. These boards aren't exactly 24 by 48, so they're just shy of that. All right, so once you lock in, you lock that hinge, that's where we cut the backing paper out. Fold it back, and then I will take my, I think this is 36 inches TM80 squeegee. Locked on that side, backing paper's out of the way. Now it's hinged. The print is locked in, there's nowhere for it to go. So, what I do is leave the backing paper on. I've done this a few different ways. This seems to be the best way. Now I've tried this a few different ways. I've tried it with a little bit of water and soap solution to help this stick, but it ends up making the wood kind of saturated with water and it doesn't stick as well. So I'm just going for a completely dry application. Seems to work out the best, the least amount of bubbles. So yeah. So, locking the edges again. Give you guys a different angle on the trim. Do the hole first this time. I like to give myself a little finger hold. should have probably put a fresh blade on this X-Acto. It's getting a little dull, so it's starting to catch. When that happens, just put a fresh blade on, but this is the last one, so it's all right. Then, like I said, keep a finger on the scrap side, pull tension, keep the blade towards the wood or towards the piece, and just ride that edge. Just like anything else, the more you do it, the better you get. The first one I did, I'd like to redo, but that's how you learn. Tried a few different processes, figured out what works, and now going forward, I've got a system. So, yeah, we're good. That's it. Finished board. That's it. Cornhole boards are done, printed, laminated, installed. They turned out great. I think I got a good process for these. My customers are gonna be happy. And I think it's a good product to provide for all my other customers. I have a lot of bar, restaurant, and other type of business owner friends that are gonna want these with their brand on it. So if you need a set, reach out to me, Outrun Graphics. Also, if you guys have any questions on how these are made, designed, printed, anything with the HP or Flexi software, just ask the questions below. I try to get to everybody. I make these videos so I can kind of put my stuff out there, add value to somebody's shop. And if you guys have tips or suggestions on how I can do this better, more efficiently, feel free, because I'm just learning. All right, thanks guys.